Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm so excited because we are going to be doing my at-home spa facial. So I figured this would be so fun to do, and we have nothing but time, right? So this is what I do usually 1 to 2 times a month. I really like to really deep cleanse my skin. When I want to get really deep and down into my pores, this is what I usually do. I do switch up the products depending on my skin type and the way it's feeling at the time, but this is pretty much the process I do. So I did a pre-cleanse first. The pre-cleanse just basically just remove any dirt, oil, makeup, anything that I have on my face. It just removed that. And right now I'm just showing you guys my skin with no makeup, nothing on. Overall, my skin is combination to oily. I'm very I'm very oily in my T-zone. I break out occasionally. I do have a little bit of dark spots here and there, but for the most part I feel like my skin tone is pretty like even, but you know. So I'm just letting the steam open up the pores and soften my skin. I do this for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then I move on to my cleanser. So the cleanser that I'm using is the Korres Greek Yogurt Foaming Cleanser. It's a creamy cleanser with minerals and vitamins in it. It's really good for all skin types. So if you're dehydrated or dry, you will love this product because it's so like lathery. Oh my god, it's so nice. And I also use my Clarisonic. This is the Mia 2. And I just did this to just get a better cleaning on my skin. So next I went in with this tool. This is a skin scrubber exfoliator. So it deeply cleans the skin to remove blackheads and whiteheads. It vibrates really fast, so it kind of just pushes the blackhead up out of your skin. And it also helps with product absorption. And I'm just doing a couple more extractions. I love doing extractions. I just love seeing the after and everything I got out of my face. So next, moving on to my favorite product. This is my 3rd bottle of this cleanser. This is the TATCHA Deep Cleanse Exfoliating Cleanser. It's a daily gel cleanser with natural fruit exfoliants, and it helps to lift impurities out the skin, also unclog pores, and it's oil free. And I love it because it don't over dry my skin. Like I have used some cleansers that after I use it, my skin feel really dry and tight. This product doesn't do that for me. So like I said, this is my 3rd bottle of this, and I just absolutely love this cleanser. So next, moving on to my next favorite brand, I love OLEHENRIKSEN. This is their Transformation Walnut Scrub. It's a 2-in-1 product, a scrub and a cleanser, but I mainly use it for the scrub aspect of it. So it basically helps to exfoliate and cleanse the skin and purify my pores. It helps with my skin texture and also smooth my skin. And the walnut powders in it helps to loosen and lift dead skin cells. And y'all, when I tell you, after I use this, my face is so smooth. Like, it's crazy how smooth my face is. So then, also following this scrub trend, I'm going to scrub my lips because I'm going to do a lip mask, and that is from the Yes 2 brand. So I actually found this at Target, and it works really well actually. It feels good. It's like a coconut smell, and it's not like very abrasive. So next I'm going in with my mask. So this mask is from KIEHL'S. It is the Avocado Nourishing Hydration Mask. This makes my skin so soft, really smooth. Basically it's like the avocado fruit extract in it helps to heal and hydrate and moisturize the skin, and the avocado oil also helps to moisturize and soften the skin. Honestly, it's just really hydration to me. Because after I take the mask off, my skin just feels really hydrated and it just feels really soft, and that's really what I was needing. So the lip mask, that is what it looks like. Again, it's just hydrating the lips, and also it was a plumping effect to it. I didn't see like a huge difference from it. I kept it on for like 15-20 minutes, but I didn't see like a huge difference from my lips like looking plump or anything. Then I used those Pacifica Undereye masks. Those helps with dark circles and hydration and puffiness under the eye area. So after 20 minutes, this is what I'm looking like. So next it's time for the facial massage, one of my favorites. So I'm using my Palmer's cocoa butter formula with vitamin E skin therapy oil. I like to use this. I used to use it like as an actual like product, but mostly now I just use it for like massaging my face and everything, because I didn't see like a huge difference when using this product. But yeah, so anyway, facial massaging is so important because it helps relaxes the facial muscles. It helps to loosen tension and stress in the face and everything. So I would say and recommend massaging your face at least for like 10 minutes if you do decide to do a facial. You're gonna love it. Hey, actually, you can probably teach your man how to do a facial massage and just lay on a bed and let him do it. So I wanted to talk about this toner. This is the OLEHENRIKSEN Glow Dark Spot Toner. I love, y'all, I swear by this toner. It's so amazing. This the toner I replaced with my DIOR's toner. I like it because it helps with dark spots, so it really helps clear out my skin for me. It helps with texture, fine lines and wrinkles, dullness, and uneven texture, and I can attest to it because I'm gonna tell y'all, my skin, I had like so many dark spots over my face, but when I started using this, it cleared up in about 2 weeks. So next I'm going in with my DIOR Capture Use Glow Booster, and this serum is designed to hydrate the skin and also give me a really nice glow. So this is really pretty like underneath makeup, or honestly like if you want to have that no makeup look, this would be a perfect serum for that. Then I use my Drunk Elephant C-Firma Day Serum, and it's packed with a bunch of antioxidants and fruit enzymes and nutrients to firm and brighten the skin. Next, I'm using my KIEHL'S Calendula Serum-Infused Water Cream. This moisturizer is really nice. I like it because it's super lightweight, especially me being oily. I don't like to feel really heavy products on my face, but it helps with dryness, dullness, and uneven skin texture. It's perfect for normal to oily skin. Then I'm also using the KIEHL'S Avocado Nourishing Hydrating Mask Eye Cream. Y'all, this stuff is thick. A little goes a long way, but it really helps to seal in the moisture in the skin, and it also helps with hydration. Then I'm just using my jade rollers. This is basically just pushing the products deeper into the skin and just really penetrating that product, and it's also another form of facial massaging. So next I'm going in with my Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist. So this is a product that you can use before makeup, after makeup, during the day if you feel like you need your skin to just be refreshed or revived. Then I went in with my favorite product. This is the Grande Lash Serum. So if you struggle with short lashes and you can't get your lashes to grow, I would definitely say give this product a try. It really helped my lashes to grow really long. I used it for about a month or so, and I've seen a huge difference. So you guys, that completes my at-home spa facial. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment on this video, also share it, and subscribe to my channel. Come join the team, come join the family, come join the squad. So until next time, I will see y'all in my next upload. Bye y'all.